Breaking news, my country people. Una don hear. The Court of Appeal in Abuja has nullified the expulsion of Martin Amaewhule and 24 other lawmakers from the Rivers State House of Assembly. Guys, it's happening. Let's find out more as we hit the news. But if you're joining us for the first time, you're very much welcome. I sincerely appreciate your presence. Kindly subscribe and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Now, the Court of Appeal have reinstated Nyesom Wike's loyalists as members of the Rivers House of Assembly. It don't shele, my country people. The courts have reinstated their status as assembly members, reversing the previous judgment that had removed them from office. By this action, the Court of Appeal has vacated the order of Justice C.N. Weli of the Rivers High Court, and according to the appeal court, only the Federal High Court and no other court has the jurisdiction to determine cases of tenures and vacancies of the House of Assembly, governors, presidents, and not the state high courts. From the foregoing, it is of the view of the land judge that there was no contention on the speakership of Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule from the records, therefore remains the speaker. The court ruled. Guys, this is serious. So there is fire on the mountain in Rivers State. The court has ruled that under section 2723 of the Constitution grants only the Federal High Court the authority to decide if a House of Assembly member's seat has become vacant. They've ruled that it is only the Federal High Court that has the exclusive jurisdiction to determine if their seats are vacant or not vacant. And such, they've noted that the order made by the previous courts doesn't have jurisdiction, so it is null and void. So guys, these lawmakers loyal to Nyesom Wike are back to the Rivers State House of Assembly. They are back to the Rivers State House of Assembly. Let's not forget that these are people that plotted Fubara's impeachment, but it did not work. Then Wike told them to go to the APC. They decamped to the APC from the People's Democratic Party, creating this tension that has landed them in court. Now, the PDP said they are no longer their members. They kept on insisting that they are the members of, the PDP, because they now saw that they couldn't go back to their seats as their seats have been declared vacant. But now, these same Federal High Courts, guys, have granted them the power to become Rivers State lawmakers. Now, wow. What is really going on? It seems that the judiciary is our problem in Nigeria. In fact, the battle has just begun. Guys, this is really serious. So Governor Fubara should watch out, because we are going to see a lot. A lot of impeachment proceedings. More impeachment are loading for Fubara. What is really going on? What is going on? These guys have shown that they are ungrateful by leaving the party, the PDP, that brought them to that position, the camping to the APC, and they expected that, there would be no repercussion for their activities, for what they did. They felt they would go scot-free like that. And that was how this court proceeding started. Guys, I think the judiciary is doing more harm, than good in our society, in our country. Because as it regards to the Federal High Court, I'm sure there must be a federal influence. A federal power, a political power, an executive power must have compromised the judgments of these Federal High Courts, with the way I'm seeing it. And let's not forget, even before now, there have been allegations going around that the Amaewhule and the 24 other lawmakers, they are making plans to compromise the judiciary. They want to buy the court rulings, and it seems that they've done it. They've actually done it, and it's guys, it's settled. So let's see how things goes on from now in Rivers State. The judiciary has given its order, the court has given its order that they are now members of the Rivers House of Assembly, thus removing the order that noted that their seats were vacant. The Court of Appeal has nullified the expulsion of Martin Amaewhule. Let's not forget the PDP had earlier expelled them from the party, that they were no longer members of the party after they decamped. And the court have overturned the earlier ruling by the Rivers State High Court, which ordered their expulsion. So this is coming from the Federal High Court, that now their seat is no longer vacant and they are to be recognized as the Rivers Assembly lawmakers. So I guess the camp of Wike and Wike's loyalists would be rejoicing by now that the court has ruled in their favor. Guys, let's take reactions from Nigerians. There is nothing like reserved judgment in a sane country. Once you decamp to another party by the virtues of the 1999 Constitution as amended, you have automatically lost your seat. But in Nigeria, corrupt judges will do otherwise. There is no need to give any of these judges this bandit treatment. The judiciary is gradually setting the stage for revolution that will reset Nigeria. This is indeed an interesting time. Now, congratulations to the Federal High Court State Assembly legislators. We need to build a complex for them in Abuja. This is interesting. The law is a prescription of friction but substantial evidence. Once more, I applaud the judiciary. The political system cannot be jeopardized. Corruption has done more harm than good to Nigeria, especially to the judiciary. Under the APC government, you cannot differentiate the judiciary and the executive. APC is about to set this country on fire. Now, Fubara will learn the hard way. There is more battle to come. Okay, guys, these are reactions from Nigerians. So, my country people, I don't know how this news would really go for Governor Fubara and the Rivers State government, but I think they will appeal to this judgment at the Supreme Court. I think they will take this case to the Apex Court and appeal to this judgment from the Federal High Court. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section. Thank you.